Hi everyone, I've just popped on today to show you this lovely journal I've just made. I love this fabric. Found it in my stash. It's a very thin cotton and I backed it with a board and this beautiful orange linen that I thought went just right for the colours. So I'll give you a quick flit through. It's very eclectic, lots of different pages. Book pages, tea dyed, craft paper, pages I've made into pockets, some of our Etsy pack images, vellum, things made into belly bands. There's lots of writing space, and as you notice it goes very flat, so I can write very easily in there. And as I say, some of our Etsy pack I've added to it. Music paper, writing paper. I've made side pockets and I've put extra paper in those, just some tea stain. So I'm going to really enjoy writing in this one. Lots of pages I can stick things in, botanical books. I've got some stamps to add in there. So I think I'm going to glue these in. Could put them there. I think I prefer them over here. I'm just going to cut a little bit more of the edging off. Lovely exotic looking flowers. I'll place them there, and that's quite nice for that vellum piece. Let's find the glue. Lovely. On we go. 4 signatures, and they're all sewn in nice and firm. Backing pages from Etsy I've put on cards for each of the signatures. Nice pockets. I say I haven't put much in here. It's just ready to go. I'm really looking forward to using it. Some beautiful images for inspiration. Lovely pockets there. Nice side pockets. Put a little stamp on the bottom there. These lovely botanical images. More pockets. An ephemera. Lots of space for drawing. Lovely images here. That's beautiful. And a flip down there. There's one of our little envelopes. The pattern we made there. So much, there's such different images and things throughout the book. I just love it. And I hope you've enjoyed looking through it. I'm going to do a video on how I made this journal. It took a while, but it was very enjoyable in all the stages. I sort of split up the stages so it made it a bit easier. But there are lots of YouTube videos on there giving you really good advice on how to make these. But I hope you enjoyed looking through that one, and I'll see you again soon for some more crafting. Bye for now, everyone.